Okay, so the drone's now on the launch pad. We've got our sight of the camera through the app, and that is camera up to its highest level as per there, and you can adjust that on here as well. So you just simply move that up. So anyway, we're in 4K. Let's just take a snap, TF photo. Let's just launch the video. And we're on high speed. Now the high speed setting is the one to use. I've found the low speed extremely slow for its rates are far too slow. So anyway, we unlock the drone, that unlocks it, and we're in record, I think, aren't we? Yeah, there we are, TF recording. See how this goes. So we've got a bit of wind. Do it again. Now these blades are a little bit horrible, but to be fair, you're going to experience, there's a bit of wind going on, you're going to experience less than about 5% push, I should think, or lift from the blades with the one, especially one with a snapped end. But anyway, I'll show you some shots of that. But let's go up a bit, and let's move it over there. And there we go, that's our footage. And I'll just move it round. So it's battling the wind, it's a little bit breezy. We've got plenty of GPS, 13 satellites. Let's just have a view of this way. Down, there's me. And up, let's put the... So for an 11.4 volt drone, you get a fair old bit of whack from this. It's like the Mini, the Mavic Pro. Let's send it on up. I've got my little phone holder on here, but as per usual with these cheaper drones, you only get one aerial in the actual antenna, so your other antenna doesn't actually do anything. But yeah, that's all looking pretty healthy. There's me down there. So she must be at what, 100 foot, about 5 stories, I should think. Let's take it down there. So that's flying pretty well. It says it's 5G on the Wi-Fi transmission. I think it's only 2.4G on the transmission to the phone. But I'm quite pleased with that. I think that's a pretty nifty little drone. Okay, the camera gimbal's pointing off a bit, but that's no major problem. Let's bring it down. That headwind is making it a little bit unresponsive, but you can see it's hovering pretty stably. What we got now? 18 satellites. New set of blades wouldn't go amiss, obviously, for just keeping that a little bit better, but I'm very happy with that that hover. Let's have a look in terms of what it does, follow me type thing. Looking the wrong way. Right, let's turn that off. Let's get me in shot. There I am. Wrong way. Put the camera down a bit. Right, follow me. Once under follow me, the drone's cameras will keep pointing at the mobile phone. Oh, well, let's see how that works. It's going the wrong way. It's coming. I need to override that really, it's getting a bit close to the garage. You've got a light at the bottom, I think. There we go. No harm in flying with that arm. Pretty good. There's a car. That battery is a lovely big battery, isn't it? You're going to get plenty of power out of that. And landing, let's go for the landing. Done. Thanks for watching.